Hey guys, in this video we are going to go over how to make a acceleration time graph from a velocity time graph. The basics are you're first going to find the slope of your line, and then you're going to place a horizontal line on your acceleration graph for that time period at that value of the slope. Alright, so let's work through a few different examples. Alright, so our first one, we have a diagonal line, and we are going to find the slope using rise over run. So since we're starting at 0, we're going up to 20. Our rise is 20, and then our run is 4 seconds. All right, so 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So our slope is 5. So for our acceleration graph, for those first 4 seconds, we're going to place a horizontal line at 5. All right, so that's pretty simple. All right, for the next one, we have a negatively sloping line, and it starts off at negative 20 and goes down to negative 40. So our rise is actually only negative 20, not negative 40. All right, make sure you don't start at 0 on this one. And then our run is 4 seconds again. So now we're going to have negative 5 as our answer. And so we're going to place a horizontal line at negative 5 for those 4 seconds. All right. Then you could also have a horizontal line, which is always going to have a slope of 0 because your rise is 0 and your run is how many ever seconds it's going to be. So in that case, you're going to put a horizontal line at 0. So you don't even have to bother calculating the slope. If you just see a horizontal line, you know you're going to have a horizontal line at 0. All right. So it's pretty simple to make these graphs. You calculate your slope using rise over run, and then you'll place a horizontal line at that value for that time segment on your acceleration graph. All right, so those are pretty easy to get. Make sure you know how to do them before you take your unit test. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know if you need help.